Hey, I'm Sarah OLDEN, representing the Civil Engineering Department. I want to give a huge shout out to all my fellow civil majors. Congratulations, we did it. It seems like it was just yesterday when we were in summer field session filled with rattlesnakes, scorching heat, and also snow. Congratulations, go Ore Diggers, and let's go be hell of a engineers.
Hi, I'm Jake DeHai, representing the Geological Engineering Department. I just want to give a huge shout out to my fellow GEOs, from 101 to structural field session and senior design. I'm super proud of everyone who's made it through this degree.
My name is Wei. I'm graduating fall 2020 with a Bachelor in Mining Engineering. I just want to say thank you for all these years of education and mines.
Hi, I'm Matt Adams, representing the Chemical and Biological Engineering Department. Here's a shout out to my fellow chemies. We've all worked really hard to get where we are now, and if you're like me, you might be wondering what the future will hold for us. To steal a line from Professor Chikura, it depends. But if we survived the onslaught of field session, I have faith that we'll be able to take on many more challenges to come. Congratulations, chemies, and thanks for helping to make our department so great.
Hi, my name is HADLEY Thomas, and I'm representing the chemistry department. I just wanted to give a shout out to my fellow chemistry majors. I know we put in a lot of hard work to get here, so congrats everyone.
Hello, my name is SCHMELZEL, and I'm here representing the engineering physics majors. I just wanted to first give a huge shout out to all the physics majors graduating with me. It wasn't easy, but we did it. We definitely proved that physics is in fact a team sport, and I know I wouldn't be here today without all of you right by my side. So I want to give just the most sincerest thank you to all of you. We did it together, and I'm so excited to see where y'all end up. Congratulations.
Hi. My name is Colin O'Connor, and I am representing the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department. I wanted to shout out my fellow environmental engineering majors. It really does feel like just yesterday we were all in field session together and seeing what our future jobs were going to be like, and playing with Gizmo. Definitely the best part. These last 4 years were definitely challenging, so congratulations at everyone being at the finish line. We can now say that we're hell of engineers and have it really be true. Congrats.
Hello, my name is JADEN ZYMBALUK. I'm representing the Metallurgical and Materials Engineering Department. So to all my fellow MMEs, congratulations. I'm so glad that we're all here today. I know that you all were there with me through the thickest and our thinnest lab reports, struggling through those late night assignments, and some of you might have even come to CSMAC this semester. But most of all, what I want to say is congratulations. And I really look forward to seeing your business cards on the wall of Hill Hall.
Hello everyone, my name is Justin Nichols, but Nico to those of you that know me. I'm here from the Applied Math and Statistics Department to represent all the math majors. However, I want to say congratulations to everyone for this wonderful accomplishment. I'm sure it's been a difficult journey for each of you, but through these challenges the last few years, we have shaped into extraordinary individuals, and that will set us atop for many years to come. The long enduring pain is over. It's time to celebrate.
Hi all, I'm Luke HENKE, representing the Electrical Engineering and Computer Science departments. I wanted to give a shout out to all of my fellow majors, both EE and CS. Congratulations getting here, having gone through Dr. Mehta's algorithms class and Dr. Vincent's seed lab. It hasn't been easy, but we've made it here together. Congratulations all, go Ore Diggers.
Hi, I'm Harrison MAGEE, representing the Applied Mathematics and Statistics Department, and I want to give a shout out to my fellow AMS students graduating today. I hope that we're all coming off of this very difficult, very challenging semester of online classes more prepared and more confident than we were when we entered it. And I hope that we're going to be able to apply a same level of enthusiasm to our job search as, say, Terry Bridgman would to graph theory totally unrelated to our field session, or Professor Navidi would to any whiteboard in sight with his extendable pointer. To Professor Navidi and Biolecki, on behalf of the AMS student body, we want to thank you so much for pouring into us and all the hard work making us better students, better employees, and better people. We wish you the best in retirement. I'm extremely honored to be graduating today with my fellow AMS students as well as my Minds community. There's really not better company that you can keep, and I could not be more proud to be graduating from this tremendous school today. Happy graduation and go Ore Diggers.
Hi, I'm Ford Edwards representing the Petroleum Department. I wanted to give a quick shout out to my fellow petroleum engineering majors. Traveling to Macedonia to live in shacks for field session during summer is frequently regarded as the best trip you never want to take again. Through this trip and constant problems we face in our industry, we have learned to see challenges as a source of opportunity, a skill we can and will carry on throughout our lives. Congratulations, Ore Diggers, we've made it through college and nearly 2020.
Congratulations, everyone. We really did it. Everyone should be super proud of themselves. Make sure you take time to thank the people who helped you get to here. Like thank my mom and my husband. They were essential to any success that I had at Mines. And also drive fast, take chances, and don't forget your towel.